Dude, Twitter keeps fucking not posting my stream.
Shadow ban.
I literally am, dude.
Censoring your ass, dude.
Twitter is hot garbage.
I'm getting censored.
Twitter is absolute garbage at this point.
Remember when we all signed up for Parler and Gab like idiots?
Hey, Gab could still be a thing,
Has
but
the potential.
Parler's dead.
Next we'll be on fucking Clubhouse.
I didn't plan on. I'm already on Clubhouse. I just don't use it. But I didn't plan on using any of those platforms. I just wanted to acquire my name.
Gary V is shilling the shit out of Clubhouse.
Parler's supposed to come back up, but they don't have the volume of people that Twitter has.
No.
Yeah, but Parler was a piece of crap. Even when they were getting that influx, they couldn't keep up with it.
Yeah, you're right.
Deja, what do you think on CCIB? I want to sell a call again, but on the move up today. But the only thing that worries me is they announce the deal, and then I'm not gonna lose, but it's gonna be.
I would just treat it like we treated Neo. Just keep fucking rolling it. Diagonals, roll, you know what I mean?
Is anyone still in OEG or am I dumping this shit?
What was that?
Dump that shit, bro. The fuck are you doing? Still holding that bag?
Yeah, like CCIV is one of those charts where you can't like buy a full size position here, and you can't really take profit because it still looks really good. So I would just keep doing what we did with Neo. Just fucking roll it.
Yeah.
Like I'd be sticking to like probably 40 delta, 50 delta on this. Zoom info came all the way back.
Not gonna lie, alls look like they're topping out.
Damn, Blink's fucking... Why is Blink so irritating, dude? It will not break this 53.30 level. You broke this level, looked really good, retested it, and then just broke right through it.
Fucking ADA.
So irritating.
You think alts are about to fall out?
A lot of DeFi is retracing right now.
Fuck, I'm long as fuck on RSR.
You guys tried to FOMO me into the top, just like you did last time. Fucking bastards.
RSR is doing fine. It depends on what you
Wait,
got
why
in.
do you think this is the top?
I'm just saying, because everything's selling off, and you guys were like telling me to come trade crypto this
Not really
morning.
selling off. It's a pretty small sell-off.
Dude, that spike on Crybf was fucking good.
Yeah, dude, but the walls didn't fill in.
Yeah, the
behind
books
it.
didn't hold.
And then somebody took that guy's 145, whatever the fuck.
Yeah, that guy's an
Sold
asshole.
into it.
He took
You gotta
advantage of
wait
it.
for
I thought
more
about
for more people to fucking find it, dude. Today was the only day it had any real volume, so just let it pick up next week.
Well, that kind of volume, you have potential for a gap on Monday. Like a strong move instantly.
Yeah, there's probably some kind of a reason they all bought it like that, I'm assuming.
Well, let's just hope it's not a pump and dump group. That's what you gotta worry about.
Good point.
Like when you see volume like that, you would much rather see a news article than you don't see anything. Because if you don't see anything, that means it's probably just being pump and dumped.
We're holding ZI over the weekend, right?
Yeah, because that retrace was clean. As long as it held that 4-hour pivot, I'm holding. That 4-hour pivot held strong.
FMAC is my biggest loser right now.
Yeah, I don't consider that as a loss on the day because it's only considered a loss on the day because it fucking ripped yesterday at close.
I'm gonna hold it, but
yeah, I'm in from 11, so I'm fucking sitting pretty on that. I'm up 8%. I mean, it does fucking blow if you look at how much we could have made if we sold right after the halt, but you almost had no chance to sell it there anyway.
Dude, you should have sold pre-market or post-market.
35%. Yeah, I could have taken like 20, 30%, but I don't really give a I don't care. I'm in so low. If I have to hold this thing for a month or two, I don't care.
I have to figure out how I set up IBKR to do that pre-market, aftermarket shit.
The green arrows are from the auto SR. They're not from the OTS. And sorry, I didn't see your question in Ask Our Traders. Let me read this. We're seeing the buy and sell walls through level 2. You have to turn on level 2 from your Thinkorswim. You go to TD Ameritrade, like you sign into your account on the website, and then you go to like subscriptions or something. And it should be a free level 2 data, and you turn that
Cheated.
on.
I literally just have to.
client services, and then subscriptions, and then level 2 data.
Yeah, there you go. So you turn that on, and then when you're on active trader on Thinkorswim, you just turn on the level 2. It says L2 or level 2.
How much do you guys pay for level 2?
It's free.
Fuck you guys.
Yeah. Thinkorswim's free. It's free even if you don't even have an account. Well, like if you make an account and have no money in it, it's still free.
I just get shafted in Canada, I guess.
I don't know how Thinkorswim, they must have a fucking, just a massive customer base. They don't give a shit.
Doesn't Robinhood have level 2 as well?
No, you have to pay for it.
Or is that Webull?
You have to pay for that too. It's running again. Look at the big buys coming in on Crybf. And it's
What
gone.
the fuck are you guys in? Crybf?
Yeah, Crybf.
Extreme battery.
Cry boyfriend.
And it's gone already.
That was awesome.
Dude, these fucking, that's how you liquid the walls. Oh, the bids are.
Yeah, there's no fucking bots to follow up and fill it in
It's
behind.
so funny.
This is the shit when, I mean, like, if you really want to pump this, you just, like, fill in the fucking bids behind.
Well, the scary thing about doing that is like what happened to that one dude. He put a bid up, and someone's like, "Oh, I can finally close my position."
Yeah, I know. That's why you don't do it like that. You don't put big liquidity there. You put a bunch of little bullshit. It's a really mess. I mean, like, I used to do this shit with shit coins all the time.
People take that as an opportunity to close their position. I mean, if I was
Yeah, I
willing,
looked at that liquidity and thought about it.
yeah, if I was willing to get out, that's how I would close.
I was like, oh shit, I can get out on this motherfucker finally.
Like it's up again, dude. The bids are
Little bit.
bid and ask is hilarious. What? Dude,
I mean, yeah,
dude,
look at
that's
the-
a
it's like,
that's a
it's like
20%
over 10%.
spread. The 20% spread on the bid and the ask.
And we're in here with like fucking big ass
Fucking
positions.
gross, dude.
King is like 100 grand of this.
What's got that spread? Which one?
Crybf, CRYBF. It is a 20% spread on the bid and the ask.
It's like the most fakest
If you had a
unrealized profits
bot,
ever.
if you had a bot that could arbitrage this, they're fucking killing it.
Can a bot fucking do penny stocks?
Oh yeah,
Probably,
you could
right?
get something to arbitrage this. The problem is you'd have to have it set to a very low amount of shares.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. I think you probably make a lot of money off of this kind of.
Only on stuff like this with big spreads, because you're paying a lot of fees on OTC.
I forgot about the fees for OTC.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
Not on Schwab.
Cbbt still looks really good, curling up into the high day.
Vizzle pumping hard as fuck, up 27%.
There you go, dude. That was a fucking beautiful play by the scanner.
So what's the consensus on CBBT Deja? If it goes past 22, it's got open air above it.
Yeah, it's pretty clean. Let me see the chart. It's got where's it at?
So we're gonna sell this shit at some point, or are we just
Never
gonna
selling.
wait and hope this really works
We're
out?
gonna
Yeah, I'm
pull
not-
we're gonna
I'm
pull a
not selling.
GameStop. We're gonna ride all the way back down. Above 22, small resistance at like 23.3, and then it can run to 30 with like no problem.
Well, we all know I can get.
What was that?
Honestly, I should just stop looking at that price because I'm not getting rid of it.
Yeah, no, exactly.
Hold the line.
Just like ABML, I'm not touching that either.
I haven't looked at that recently. ABML.
Yeah, I honestly think that's going to be 50, 60, 70 a share one day.
Yeah, that was huge. What'd you call that out at? Like a fucking dollar or something?
I think yeah, $1. I bought in initially before I even knew that much about it. I bought in at 22 cents.
Yeah, it's gross.
BRLL got in at a penny.
CBBT looks like it's about to run.
These fucking penny stocks fucked up my whole week. I literally put my fist through the fucking wall today. Fucked up my hand. Fucked up the wall.
Oh, you really did? What are you doing, dude?
Dude,
Somebody's never traded shit coins.
I was ready to throw my fucking monitor out the window. Thank God I fucking punched the wall because that's cheaper than breaking my fucking screen.
Did you ever play internet poker?
No.
Oh, you would have
Internet
broken a lot of computers.
I haven't broke a fucking piece of my computer since I don't know, I was like in my early 20s playing video games and raging.
Yeah, the Atao thing this
This was-
morning was pissing me off. I'm
This
like
was the first.
right there with you.
I'm literally taking. As soon as my funds settle, I'm taking every penny out of my TD account because of that.
It wasn't TD, you know that, right? That's
It-
just penny
no.
stocks.
No, it was TD.
No,
it was
it
lagging
was
this
TD.
morning.
It was TD. It lagged.
It was 100%
In
TD.
the morning.
It
like,
wasn't this. It wasn't the spread at all. It was the actual platform itself lagging.
Yeah.
Yeah, but every platform lags.
Not tasty.
Bro, I got bamboozled.
Tasty is
with-
never.
My friend was
Tasty has
trying to get on
never lagged
Fidelity
one
during that
time.
and couldn't even get on there.
The platform will lag, but it's never lagged while executing an order.
The app is definitely better,
Yeah, I
but
see what you're
you
saying, but I don't. The only thing I have troubles with that are penny stocks. All the other stuff never a problem.
the app is really good. I'm gonna start using that from now on.
Well, the reason I know it was the platform and not the stock is because I submitted the order. It took a second to submit it, and then I tried to cancel it, and it still showed up as working orders, even though I canceled it. And I know it was canceled because I couldn't cancel it again. When I go to cancel it again, it was grayed out.
Dude. Penny stocks suck. That's all it is.
It was fucked because I had my sell at 43 or 45, and it blew all the way up to 48, and it wasn't filling my sell.
Hey, JMA, at least look at the bright side when you put your fist through the wall. At least you didn't find a stud.
Yeah.
That's true. I would have broke my fucking hand.
Was your sister?
No, I gotta
Not
call the
sister. Was
fucking
your
maintenance guy.
girlfriend home?
Yeah, she was fucking screaming at me.
Bruh.
friend, he used to fucking break phones and shit over his head when the games would go against him.
You ever see the video of the kid lose like NBA Live or whatever, and he like goes berserk and throws the TV, and then his boy tries to stop him and he breaks the other TV?
Yeah, I've seen that. I don't think I've ever, knock on wood, broken anything from trading. I've gotten pretty close.
Dude, I've smashed so
I
many
was-
fucking phones trading. Oh my god.
I was ready to do the fucking screen, man. Like literally, like the screen was about to be dead, and then I just punched the wall instead.
Yeah, Vizzle is up a lot, dude.
Yeah, I'm out of that bitch. That was a quick fucking 20%.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, I don't think Lumen's gonna give me that $13 by today. It's just been like no volume. I feel like it's been like halted all day.
Last time I raged, I fucking threw my headset against the wall behind me, broke that, but that was a long time ago.
Ray, no, I don't trade using TradingView. I just use them for charting. I use my brokers for all my trades.
CBBT hitting that 22 mark.
Nice, go.
Let's go.
Breaks 22,
That was
23, 23.3, and then we're going higher.
Just got into
You guys
DMG
holding it?
with you.
What price you guys in at on that?
I added towards the high of the day, so I brought my average up to 189. I was in at 17.
My average is-
189.
Yeah, about 18 cents, 0.9. Almost 19 cents, basically.
One.
I'm in at 4
nice.
cents.
Jesus
198
Christ.
for me, Jamie.
You say you
What'd you
bought
say,
that shit
Sticky?
at 4 cents?
Yeah, that was
You
a
guys
while
aren't
back.
scared of a double top?
No, it's
Wow,
blowing
man, good
through it
for
right
you.
now.
The penny stocks don't care about double
It
tops.
tried to double top earlier today. It made the double top, and now it's breaking it.
Ape into a JMA.
It's only up 50,000%. You're fine.
Dude, he's gonna
Yeah, bro.
he's gonna crash his car if he gets angry. It's just... If you
I'm
use-
gonna hit one of these one day when they're at like 0.0001 cents and ride one of these up to like $10.
Dude, you just gotta buy him on the 20. Like, look at this thing's chart. Like, it
Yep.
did the same thing. It pulled back to the 20 day and just fucking ripped.
That's exactly what I said to them earlier. Was it pulled back?
Ripped, pulled back, and then ripped again.
It pulled back to the 15-minute 20 and ripped.
If you could find a fucking penny stock that already did its big move and then pulled back to the 20, like, which one was it this morning? Was it ABML or AMBL, something like that? Clueless. Which one were you trading this morning that you fucking jumped into?
Oh yeah, ABML. My bag was way too small, but it was good. I made a bunch of money on that shit.
Did that continue to move?
I sold it a little bit ago.
Oh, it wasn't ABML. It was a different one. Of them pulled back.
AMLM.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that thing has done nothing but make me a bunch of money.
AMLM, right? Yeah, like, okay, like this right here. Like, this is a penny stock that I'm fucking interested in getting in right here. A doji on the fucking daily off the 20 day, and now you're trading above the monthly VWAP. Like,
Yep.
something like this, you could trade up to, like, you know, probably up to $1.20, whereas, you know, where the pivot's at. Holy fuck, I just almost hit a fucking concrete pillar. Yeah, I'm actually gonna, dude, my day's all fucked up right now, dude.
As you stare at the hole in your wall.
No, I'm in the car right now. That's done, dude. That's already happened. I gotta get the maintenance guy over. Patch that shit up.
What are you gonna tell the maintenance guy?
I tell him I punched the fucking wall. I mean, it's obvious it's a fucking Bismarck.
You're not the first fucking guy who punched a
Oh,
hole.
fucking
Try
hilarious.
fucking
Yeah.
lying to him, dude. That'll be hilarious.
So you see what happened was I was on Thinkorswim. There's this dog shit penny stock.
Deja, can you look at the level 2 on AMLM and like see where I could get filled? Because I'm on my
Yep.
phone right now and I can't really I don't know what to place my
There's a
bid at.
35,000 share bid at 72, and there's like nothing else around it. So 70.
Where'd you say 70?
72. It's right on the 21 EMA on the 15-minute.
Should I buy into that wall?
That's a bid wall.
Oh, it's a bid?
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna get filled.
An ask wall, there's 13,000 shares at 75. And then all the way up to $1, there's only like 20 grand. 20.
How big is the spread right now? If I hit the ask, will I get slaughtered?
If it goes down to 72, yeah, you'll lose, what is that, 3 cents on this?
And you said 72 is where the
The decent wall is, yeah. You'll lose about 3 to 4% if it goes down to that.
where would you place your limit right now if you were to buy this?
Either above 72 or just straight up going to 75.
And how big is the one at 75?
13,000.
Should I just buy him out?
Deja.
$13,000 or 13,000 shares?
12,770 shares
At 7.5.
at 7.5. Yep, which is equal
And
to
what's above that? What's the next wall after that?
4,400 at 7.5, and then another 1,000, another 1,000. So
Okay, I'm just gonna buy this guy out.
All
at
together, there's
75.
about 20 grand on 7.5. 20 grand shares,
Did you look at
Oh.
Club Q?
which is 20,000 times. It's about $15,000. Look at what?
All right, did some of it just go away?
Yeah,
CLU,
like 5 grand. Yeah,
CLUBQ.
Wait, no, I didn't get. Hold on, I didn't get filled.
CL
Wait, no, I did get. Why does it say?
UBQ.
Yeah, the daily.
Oh, it's ripping. Yeah.
Coming over that daily pivot.
It looks exactly like IINX.
Yeah, it's gonna shit on me, isn't it?
Yeah, it's literally identical, dude.
Yep, it's moving.
It's like you're looking at the same exact fucking chart. That's funny as hell. And JMA said the word double top and CBBT double topped. And jinxed it.
Did you say you think Ford can keep going next week?
I think it's gonna go, yeah, for sure. They doubled their EPS, but it's just gonna be a choppy ride. I'm waiting for more of a consolidation or a pullback before I
Okay,
add shares.
Did that wall at 75 just get slaughtered?
Yeah, it did. Now there's a
Okay.
there's a 45,000 share wall at 769.
It was just me that took out that 75 wall.
Nice.
Yo, what are you buying, JMA?
AMLM.
I like that retrace. It is pretty
Oh, the
clean.
one I sold. Yeah, that shit's good.
Well, look at the daily, dude. You got a doji off the 20-day, and like every single penny stock that runs that I've been looking at and pulls back to the 20-day, it just bounces off of it. Like this would be an early entry.
Yeah, I like the
Let people
VWAP.
buy this shit from us, dude.
VWAP reclaim is good.
I didn't even see that.
It's a weekly pivot is the only sketchy thing.
I sold the top. Go figure.
The 1 hour is clean. Target on Vizzle, let me see.
I would
Yeah,
buy
this thing's gonna-
AMLM, but I got like a whole bunch of penny stock shit I'm holding over the weekend.
It's gonna run, dude. It reclaimed the monthly VWAP,
you're right.
bounced the doji. Yeah, it's gonna run to at least $1.20.
Anywhere from here to 386 you could take profit on Vizzle. And then 434 would be the next target.
$1.20 is where it's gonna go.
I probably wouldn't hold Vizzle over the weekend because it already gave you a massive move. If something already gave you the move that you were looking for, it's pretty risky holding these things over the weekend. That Inox is starting to come back very slowly.
Look at Cry.
What's
We got
Cry
some
doing?
support again.
AMLM is treating me good twice. Fucking hit it for 30K, so I'm gonna keep sticking with it, man.
That's how penny stock traders are too. They always come back to the same names.
It makes sense. You know how they move.
Yeah.
I did the
The
same thing in crypto.
setup's too clean, man.
Uh,
Like if this wasn't a penny stock, I would long something like this if it was like a normal stock. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Ray, I use Tastyworks for my main account, and then I use Thinkorswim for my penny stock account.
Jesus, look at ClubQ, dude.
Did it just start ripping?
It's over 50.
I'm
now.
telling you, it's identical to Inox. So it's probably gonna
Let's
run.
post this shit on
It's
Twitter.
gonna run for like 50% and then fucking pump and dump. It's like they're the same company. Yeah, look at it. It's already run for 90%. Did you hop in that?
No, you fucking scared me.
No, I meant it in a good way. Like it was gonna run and then it was gonna nuke, but it's going to nuke. It's gonna pull an Inox, dude. The
It
charts are
is.
fucking identical. Yeah, it's already doing it. See? I'm telling you. Look at that. It's down 22% already.
Yeah, CBBT has some actual support too now.
Yes, sir.
250,000.
Quarter mil.
Yeah, right.
That's what, 50
That's
grand?
how I don't want
Yeah,
to sell any of it.
that's 50 grand. I wish there was like a plugin that we could use that would convert all these share sizes to dollars, you know what I mean?
I feel like that would be easy to code.
Like you could just have like another column next to the share size that would instantly convert it to whatever that price is. That would help a lot.
Yeah, that shit always annoys me because you got to fill market orders. Damn, our penny stocks are going off today.
Dude, they've been on fire this week.
It's fucking
I've
crazy.
literally almost doubled my fucking account, and they're still going up.
Yeah, like I don't really want to sell ATAO, to be honest, not anytime soon.
I'm in 20%. I'm just gonna let it run.
I sold like half of it today.
I'm starting to feel pressure having to find the next one.
It's all good, man. I made a scanner, and we already found some babies earlier today.
Yeah, that should help too.
Vizzle and Inox and CLVS. I called out
Fuck
earlier, and they all
Inox.
fucking ripped.
I feel like everybody must be looking at this stuff now. Otherwise, where does this volume come from? All
Well,
of a sudden?
these have never changed. There's your target on Vizzle, Dom. To the penny. You just hit your target.
I literally had 5 minutes to get out of Inox. Now I'm fucking back holding Chinese fucking lithium. dog
You're an
shit
investor,
fucking-
dude. You gotta hold on to it forever now.
You're a community member, sir.
Yeah, no problem, Dom. That was a really good trade. That was a good call by King telling me to make that scanner, so scanner was pretty helpful.
Yeah, do you use what's that, Cheddar or whatever the fuck that site is?
No, I don't like Cheddar, to be honest. I tried them for a little bit, wasn't a fan. I use
Tried
Trade
them, yeah.
Ideas.
Have you tried Tradie Ticks?
Not yet. I haven't. No, I need to. I still fucking forgot I need to message them. Remind me
Yeah, I
this
think we
weekend.
really-
I think their Discord bot would kill it here.
Yeah, remind me this weekend. I'll hit them up. It's gonna be a busy weekend. I'm fucking.
I'd rather pay Deja to scan for us.
My dad's birthday tomorrow, and then we got the Super Bowl on fucking Sunday. I'm gonna be busy as fuck.
Tradie
Yeah,
is
I'm
gonna
gonna watch
fucking
Super
beat
Bowl
Mahomes.
together here.
Make it interesting.
Mahomes about to get spanked.
Are we doing the squares?
We don't have enough people.
Hey,
Want to do
Deja?
like we'll make
What's
a
up, Cease?
pool and we'll have like some prop bets, and whoever wins the most prop bets gets the whole pot or something.
can you look at IPGP?
We don't have 10 people for squares. We could do strip cards if we have 10 people.
No, we don't. We have like 5, I think, 5 or 6.
I don't know what the fuck strip cards are, and I really don't remember how squares are played, but I don't care. I'll play.
I'll literally just throw money in and tell me if I win.
I like the chart on IPGP.
Yeah, it's
Came
not
up on
bad.
my
If it holds
scanner.
above right where it is right now, you're reclaiming VWAP. So if you hold above VWAP next couple days, you have earnings coming up though.
How do you put money in, like with like Cash App or
And-
something?
I would
What
just
about
have you guys all
Caterpillar?
PayPal me, Cash App me, whatever, and then we would make squares.
I'll send you Doge.
Yeah, I accept everything
Caterpillar?
except for Ripple.
What do you think about Caterpillar?
Caterpillar.
Got a bunch of doges
Pivot.
lately.
Yeah, it's literally doging between VWAP and pivot.
Okay.
Gotta get above 195. Looks better.
If anybody wants to know, strip cards are real easy. You just take you have 4 per game, 1 for each quarter. You have 10 guys, and each one gets a number 0 through 9. You just add up the score at the end of every quarter, and whatever it adds up to, whatever the last number is, that's the winner.
Isn't that the same thing as that's what Zach was talking about? Isn't it, Zach? You just take the ending score of each quarter, and whoever has that number gets paid.
Yeah, that's what the squares are.
That's what squares are too, exactly. The only difference with squares is it's every score change. It's more active. Every single score change, someone gets paid.
So how is it
You
pieced
guys
up
want
though?
to do
So if we had 10 people, there's 100 squares. You each get 10 squares. You pick your squares, and then the numbers are randomly generated from 0 to 9, and then there's numbers on an x-axis and a y-axis, and then every time there's a score change, whoever has that box wins.
So you could get paid multiple times for
Yes.
the same box? Okay.
No,
No,
I've never done squares that way. We just did first, second, third, and final score.
that's a different squares. Yeah, there's squares where you pay each quarter, or where you pay every score change.
I'm in a $500 buy-in square. Final score is 20K.
Yeah, the squares that you guys are talking about, where you get paid every quarter, they pay out much bigger, but there's only like 5 chances to win. For the one that pays every single score change, you have a chance to win every single score change.
I'd do the big payout, and that sounds way more fun. If people are down to do that, I'm down.
Yeah, I think we have like
How many do we-
5 or 6 right now.
Okay.
Some of us can do double.
Look at CBBT running. There we go.
Oh shit!
There's the breakout. It didn't put in the cup and handle. It
when
just
your
ripped.
long-term bag starts pumping like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I'll go in if we can get 10.
Yeah, I'll ask one more time
Who
tomorrow.
wants to be in charge of it though? That's the thing.
Not me, that's for sure.
You don't mind?
I mean, I'll collect the
I
money.
said-
I'll collect the money. I don't give a
Who
fuck.
wants to organize the squares and all that shit?
But I'm only gonna ask one more time tomorrow, and if we don't have 10 people, I'm not doing it.
I don't blame you. I don't care, but I'll
Yeah,
do it if you guys, if we get it going, I'm down for sure.
Well,
Otherwise,
I
I
mean-
won't even watch it.
GTE, let me see.
I still probably won't watch it.
GTE is not bad. It's kind of stair-stepping up. Not really the type of pattern that I like to trade on pennies.
Got a UFC this weekend.
Not terrible though. If it breaks like 70 cents, it could run.
I'm probably gonna kick myself in the ass for this, but I'm gonna get into Club Q.
It's fun this weekend.
You end up bag holding both of them.
Overeem and Volkov? Yeah. Alistair Overeem and Alexander Volkov.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
excited for that fight.
I mean,
I think Overeem's gonna fuck him up, to be honest, but we'll see.
but he's kind of hasn't been his old self lately, though.
Yeah, he's old as fuck. He's like in his 40s now, and he's been doing this shit
Yeah.
for like 20 some
I
years.
know. That's why I'm saying. That's why I'm leaning towards Volkov, because Overeem lately has, I don't know. He's not who he used to be.
He looked good in his last fight, but like, I mean, good as far as like, recently. But Volkov really ain't nothing special, to be honest. Like, but I do think if he clips Overeem, Overeem will go to sleep, and that's that because he's old.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. His I like what Joe Rogan says. It's like a punch card. Once your bell has been rung so many times and you run out your punch card, that's it. You're done.
Dude, we're getting
Yeah,
paid
and then
on
every time you get touched, you
CBBT.
go to sleep.
Good call, fucking
You re-
Illinois.
Do you remember?
Illinois is the god of this.
You remember Noguera? That dude got hit hard with some hard shots, but like Fedor, Cain
Bob Sapp fucked
Velasquez,
his
Bob.
ass up.
I mean, dude took a shot, and then once he got hit too many times, man, it's like his chin was gone. His last
Yeah, he
couple.
was a
of
little
fights.
older too. But yeah, Nogueira is one of my favorite fighters, man. I like all the fighters who are like just tough ass, like all heart type of guys.
Here comes your first really short-term target on CBBT. I'm not closing it here though. 233. If it holds above 233, it's going to 273.
God, please.
Deja, look at PL. That one hasn't fucking done shit yet, but look at the volume.
Is it Chinese?
I don't know what the fuck it is, but
It's a fucking bar chart, dude.
Yeah, fuck that thing, bro.
Yeah, I'm not bag holding that thing.
That's not even a penny stock. That's a fucking tenth of a penny stock.
the market cap's 260K. You guys don't want to fucking.
It's 260K.
Buy all of it.
You guys are laughing, but you do realize that's where CBBT came from.
Yeah, but dude, King could buy the company.
Go over there and throw them out of their office.
Fucking King could take a hostile takeover of their fucking company. Yeah, AMLN looks good, man. It was a good buy by JMA. I think it looks solid. Anything above 68 strong.
Look at PL volume and the market cap's 260K. How does that fucking make sense?
It's just being arbitraged, maybe.
There's a ton of crypto like that that has volume over their market cap.
I mean, it doesn't look that bad to throw like a few $100 at, but I wouldn't throw a few $1,000s at it.
I was probably gonna do like 300 bucks.
Yeah,
and just
throw a
fucking-
couple hundred and just let it fucking 10x. You know what I mean?
You guys want to see something disgusting? Look up ALPP. That went from 0.0001 this year to $4.80.
God, this thing printed.
I'm putting PLPL on my watch list and fucking.
Dude, this thing would have made you a millionaire easily.
I think $1,000 buy-in would have been like 2.4 mil or something.
Jesus, look at it today. It's fucking up 101% today, dude.
Deja, check this one out. SNPW. You'll like the daily chart.
SNPW.
It's a solar one too.
Yeah, daily's clean, right on a pivot. Yeah, that's clean. I like that.
I
I'll
want
add
to show
full
you
list.
guys something for the new people in here
What's that?
about. I want to show you guys something, especially for the new people in here, about why FOMOing in a shit is not a good idea.
Got to see some loss
Because
pouring.
if it wasn't for my other plays, this would have hurt pretty bad. Like, I literally lost everything I FOMOed in the AMC, Nokia, and Kodak.
Yeah.
FOMOing is the worst.
And I don't do it as much as I used to, but I still do it. And I know people who've been doing this their whole life and still do it. It's just, it's a lesson.
Cbbt hype day.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
check out add SSFT to the list, Deja. Look at the daily
SFST.
SSFT. And look at the daily on that one too.
That's also clean. Yep.
CBBT had a ton of volume today too.
It's look at the volume coming in right now. It's fucking pumping. Probably because we're on stream.
You like
Put
the way
50 bucks into
CTRM
that
looks,
PLPL.
Deja?
CTRM.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, that looks good. Because it looks like it's just waking up, like people don't realize it yet. The volume's not that big.
We should reiterate for everybody that CBBT is a long-term hold.
Yes, long term, many minutes. I'll be holding it for many minutes.
Stop! Don't tell them that.
Oh, Zoom info
No,
came
right
back,
now.
huh?
Oh, he came back, yep.
Actually, you know what? All your paper hands can dump right now.
I'd be careful on CTRM King. The bids are fucking weak. And never mind. There they come. They're starting to come in. And somebody sold. So anytime there's a big bid, it gets wiped. Dude, CBBT is ripping. Just blew through our first target.
My second target's $50.
Yeah. Yeah, first target at 23 cents taken. Second target $50.
Oh yeah, man, this thing's gonna fucking rocket next
Are
week.
you guys on stream buying this? What the fuck's making this thing go up so much? This is not financial advice, guys.
It's always great when pennies wipe away your losses from your small caps.
Yeah, you like that? Buying blue chips, you lose like fucking few $100, then you buy a penny, you make a few thousand. It's, okay, sure.
Makes up for every stupid thing you did.
Does ABML
just-
follow a similar chart than AMLN? Let me take a look. ABML. We traded this one in the Discord not too long ago.
I just get mad at myself because I know better and I still FOMO into stuff knowing.
Yeah,
that-
man. Like you got to really work on controlling your emotions when it comes to stuff. I do it all the time where I really want to jump in, and I got to just just take the L.
I
and
only
just find the
FOMO when
next
people
trade.
like King are so convincing.
Yeah, man. King does sell you on
King,
shit.
you gotta
Every
you gotta
morning,
you gotta sell
fucking
less.
King comes in and he's like, "Fucking, I got the next one, boys."
Yeah,
And we're all
you
like,
gotta
"Yeah,
be
let's do it."
you gotta be worse at selling things.
I'm happy to hear that, boys. I'll let you know when I've got the next one.
Fucking Monday morning, you'll have 5.
Yeah, I'm looking at them right now. Shit, I think I got a few, dude. I like
The hardest is once everybody's in on it and
You're
someone
not.
is like,
Yeah.
oh, I'm getting in. Oh, I'm in. Oh, look at this shit running. And you're like, fuck. You just
It
you start
definitely
thinking,
it doesn't help being in voice chat and you're being Squidward and we're all fucking playing outside and you're watching. It definitely doesn't help.
You're like, I wish they would just shut the fuck up already.
Yeah.
check out check out on the daily S4 Strike Force SFOR. It's a cybersecurity company. That's the one Kevin O'Leary was talking about. Right now it's only 15 cents and that bitch looks nice.
Hitting a daily pivot. If it cleared that daily pivot, I'd be interested. 16.6.
Where's 16? So
Six-
after 16 it flies.
16.6 exactly.
Look at the 8-hour pivot.
Yeah, same one. 8 hour is the daily.
Oh fuck yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, these pivots work really fucking good on pennies.
Yeah, we're becoming just fucking penny gods, bro.
Dude,
Literally.
we're
We're not gonna
fucking
trade anything but
slaying.
pennies.
I mean, we're gonna get caught sooner or later, so just be ready. But
Oh, yeah, the whole penny market's gonna die one day.
it's not. The penny market will never die. You just need to not get caught in the ones that are dying.
We will get killed.
This is the same exact thing that I was doing back in 2016, 2017. Like this penny market will never die. It's the same thing every single day.
Pennies and SPACs.
We'll get in one in a fucking SEC lawsuit. We'll fucking
Yeah,
be at the
we'll
same
get fucking
moment.
murdered. That's why you have to position yourself properly. Because like I said earlier today, when you lose the pennies, you really lose because they're like impossible to get out of, and we'll all be screaming at each other trying to get out because these things will just fucking bleed. You just need to prepare yourself for that. That's why I separate my account. My penny stock account is not my main account. If this thing went to 0, it would fucking blow, but it would not murder me.
I need to start using my cash account again.
Dude, I did not use mine at all. I opened it up and I was like, "Hey guys, we're gonna start using this all the time," and I didn't use it at all, and I withdrew all my money.
I used it last year more, and I liked it because I could get in and out of stuff, and like if I had $1,500 in there, I could 500 here, 300 here, 300 there, and sell it the same day and not have to worry about the stuff. It's
Yeah.
called cash or whatever. So I would use it to get quick in and outs on stuff. And then I just stopped doing it.
Cbbt has a 260,000. No, it's getting ripped. 240 now. 1,000 ask. As soon as that thing's dead, it's gonna go to 2.5.
I did the quick math on ALPP. $1,000 at 0.0001 would be 72 million now.
Jesus Christ. That's gonna be us on
In like
CBBT.
in 7 months, you would have went from 1,000 to 72 million.
Do the math. What do we need
Yo,
CBBT to
fuckers.
hit to be millionaires?
Fucking $1. Yeah, so there's a fucking SPAC, it's called OCA, and it's a SPAC that's run by this guy named Matt Higgins and Gary V. It's still sitting at $10.41, so I'm gonna load the fucking boat on this one because you already know Gary V's about to get some fly ass shit.
SBE looks pretty good. Lavender, if it gets out of this triangle, looks pretty strong. It's a SPAC though. This thing started at $10. It's already at 40. So It's pretty fucking
Yeah, but
high.
it's done. It's a done deal. The merger goes through, I think, in a couple days.
Who are they merging with?
Charge Point.
Okay, there you go. Neo, we all have been watching Neo in the Discord. We don't like it until it gets back above like 59.60. What was that ticker you just mentioned, King?
OCA.
OCA, let me see. Oh, that thing looks clean. That's pretty new. Massive inverse head and shoulders. Just broke a 1 hour pivot. Just going into our fucking SPAC portfolio. You say this is one that Kevin O'Leary might be in?
No, Gary V.
Who's that?
Gary Vaynerchuk.
He's a fucking
Like hype
influencer.
man,
Not familiar.
self-improvement guy. I can't believe you don't know who Gary V is.
Yeah, dude. I like.
All right, let me Google him. I might know his face.
He fucking rants, bro, about some dumbass shit. He has like ADHD, and he fucking takes a lot of Adderall or something because he just goes on like Twitter and shit and rants. Or
Dude
like
has, he has like 300 million and he
He
fucking does
started like
garage sale.
wine.com, I think.
Never
I think
seen
was
that
his
guy in
first
my life.
business.
Deja, I'm not sure which rock you live under, but hopefully there's room for two because I would love to not know who the fuck Gary V is.
I agree.
Yeah, Deja, I don't know how you don't know him, man.
Gary Busey?
Jealous.
Dude, if you guys took that Vizzle trade, you guys are happy as fuck. That thing went straight up. Hit our target to the penny.
How is everything pumping into the close on Friday?
Are you guys talking about Gary Busey?
Yeah, that guy.
No, Gary V.
Gary
Vaynerchuk.
He's absurd.
I
love
know,
Gary
I'm
Busey.
just being a smart ass.
I love Gary Busey, though. I think he's so funny.
You guys ever see John Oliver
Yeah.
in his last week tonight?
That
said
wall.
wha-
Never mind, that wall's still there.
He said one time that Boris Johnson looked like Gary Busey sucked on a vacuum too much.
Oh god. CBBT pulling back. It's okay. At this point, if it stays above 22, it's solid.
Oh, CCIV coming back up into the close.
You look at waves, yeah, Deja.
Fuck waves. Is it rocketing from where me and Castro called it out?
You guys bought the bottom and
Literally
fucking
bought the
didn't hold.
bottom. Jesus Christ. Look at that pullback to the pivot in January.
Yep.
Gross.
Yo, I'm about to just go all in on pennies and shit. Fuck it.
Go all in on crypto.
Yeah, I feel like most of crypto's already pumped though, bro.
Okay.
What is this one? PPBT.
Let me know when you find the all-in penny stock, bro.
One's not too bad. Breaking a
I got,
big
I
range.
know you got like 4.
dude, I got a lot of them. Holy fuck.
But we gotta just pick one.
Sticky, look at PPBT on the monthly. Bouncing off that pivot.
That looks good.
475 right now. Doesn't get a lot of volume though, only 1 million shares.
Let me do 1 minute of DD and then I'll see
Yeah.
if,
If it's Chinese, we're in. If they say anything about EV and lithium, we're in.
There are gonna be so many scam companies coming out that do that now.
What's funny is CBBT on the daily doesn't even look like a penny stock. Like this thing's pretty clean.
PPBT is a cancer research fucking. They're trying to cure cancer, basically.
They want to cure cancer, gotcha.
No one cares about curing cancer anymore.
So their FDA approvals are gonna send them to fucking 1,000, basically.
Well, that's what happened in June 20. That one pump up to 14 was FDA fucking thing.
That's all you literally. you look at biofarm companies, very low float, very high volume, look for their closest catalyst coming out on the news, and then trade them.
ATAO trying to close strong here.
Holy fuck, Clove is back at 13. Jesus.
Come on, ATAO, make us rich, sir.
That's right.
I keep
I don't know who
forgetting
that
I'm still
was.
in ATAL.
It's okay, Deja. I'll try to remind you like 6 or 7 times an hour.
Thank you. I've got
I will not.
I've
I
got
will not
20%
try
of
to
my
remind you
stack
about how
left.
he missed. I will try not to remind you how he missed Zoom though.
Yeah, is it still fucking running, dude? It's still running.
And SPR is trying to close strong too. All these fucking shit pennies are trying.
Man, fuck Zoom.
Called the bottom of Zoom to the fucking penny, and it runs without us.
Who buys penny stocks into the weekend?
Us.
Everyone.
Or maniacs.
Us.
I mean, besides us.
We're trendsetters.
There's a few. I'm pretty sure Warrior Trading exclusively fucking trades pennies.
Yeah, they do. Pretty much.
And they also sell books.
Courses. Their courses are like $5,000 to learn how to trade fucking moving averages and volume.
In the next 30 minutes, is someone trying to show me anything?
If you're spending $5,000 on a course, you better not lose on any trade at all. You cannot be red. Fucking bullshit.
Did you see like last year these crypto people were gonna do like a crypto camp, and they like put you up for like a week or something,
Oh,
and they won
God.
like $25,000 or some shit.
Oh, wait, speaking about that, the guy I was telling you about that I ran into yesterday, last night, and he was talking about trading in GameStop and how I knew he didn't know his shit, is that he was like, yeah, I've been trading off this indicator. It's like commodity something like CI. He goes, what's that? Channel commodity index. Like this dude is talking about how he does this, and he's playing this up, and he don't even name the.
A CCI, and you're lagging by the way, but CCI for penny stocks is fucking actually insanely good. Put a CCI on 50. Sticky knows what I'm talking about. Fucking old school. We used to do this on stream back in fucking 2018.
Yeah.
Put a CCI on 50 and watch that thing break out. It will call every breakout on penny stocks.
I was just meant like he didn't know the name of the indicator. He just said, "Oh,
No, I hear you.
commodity something."
You know,
ERL close strong.
Deja, do you remember this? This music video.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, like look at CCI 50 on basically all the penny stocks that we've traded recently. Oh god, I just got double bells because I think it's from and Tasty Open. Sorry guys on stream, that was probably loud as fuck.
Wow, that was a good day of unrealized profits.
Yeah, that was huge. Really good day. Hey, I realized a lot of my gains on fucking
I
ATAL.
realized a little bit. I sold a little on the way up.
Hell of a week,
Wow, that
guys.
was-
You guys green or red on the day. And then green or red on the week. Should be almost every person in here being green this week. We had fucking massive plays this week. Big name
There were
companies,
so many killers.
penny stock companies, fucking SPACs, blue chips.
Yeah, if you were on the stream and lost money.
Yeah, even on the stream, we gave you guys fucking FMAC at $11. It ran to 14.
MedX at 218.
Yeah, MedX. Yeah, that was on stream too. MedX was disgusting.
FMAC is the only reason I'm red.
Had that FMAC don't count.
I even beat that.
If it wasn't for that, I'd be green today.
But yeah, MedX was disgusting. Where'd you close that at, Sticky?
Close it at the fucking top in the morning.
Oh, nice.
404.
Yeah, it went to 427. That's clean.
I just aped into Amazon calls for the gap up Monday. It's inevitable.
Johnny Amazon.
That should be his name, Johnny Amazon.
It's inevitable.
Yeah, Connor, that kind of sucked on Zoom, dude. It fucking retraced instantly. It bounced right off the 50-minute pivots that I mentioned at 56. It broke the 4-hour pivot, but then it wicked it. I'm still holding my Zoom. I'll probably close it on Monday or so. But all right, guys, I gotta get out of here. You guys have a fucking awesome weekend, I should say. Super Bowl coming up. I'm gonna post tomorrow. I'm gonna post it in probably announcements so people can see it. If we want to do the Super Bowl squares or whatever you guys want to do, Super Bowl, whatever the other thing's called. But if we can get 10 people, I think we have at least 5 or 6 already. So the first 10 people that are interested, I think we can do more, but I think if we go higher than 10, we have to have like 15 or 20. I don't know how that works, but I'll post an announcement, so keep a lookout for that. And then summary of markets on Sunday. And I will be back live trading on Monday, 3 p.m. Eastern for stream, 9:30 for Discord. You guys have a good weekend. Enjoy your Super Bowl, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.